Plant-based benefits backed by science. What if you could reduce your risk of chronic disease, feel more energized, and even live longer, just by putting more plants on your plate? Today, we're diving into the powerful science behind plant-based eating, and why your body, brain, and even the planet will thank you. The big picture. Plant-based diets aren't just trendy, they're clinically proven to improve overall health. From your heart to your hormones, the benefits are rooted in decades of solid research. Let's walk through the top ones. 1. Heart health. The plant-based diet is one of the most effective ways to lower your risk of heart disease, the world's #1 killer. Plant foods are naturally low in saturated fats and high in fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol and blood pressure. Studies show that people who eat mostly plants have a significantly lower risk of heart attacks, strokes, and arterial plaque buildup. 2. Weight management. Plant-based eaters tend to have lower body mass indexes, BMIs, and less belly fat. Why? Whole plant foods are nutrient-dense but lower in calories. They're packed with fiber, which keeps you fuller, longer. Less processed fat and sugar means fewer empty calories. Even without counting calories, many people naturally lose weight on a plant-forward diet. Gut health and digestion. Your gut thrives on fiber, and plants are the only place to get it. A diverse plant-based diet feeds beneficial gut bacteria, reducing bloating, improving digestion, and even boosting your immune system. This is why gut experts recommend 30+ different plants per week, including herbs, spices, and legumes. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to everything from arthritis to cancer. Antioxidant-rich fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds help reduce oxidative stress and cool down internal inflammation, without the side effects of medications. 5. Longevity and disease prevention. Plant-based diets have been linked to longer lifespans and lower rates of diseases like type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, cognitive decline and dementia. In fact, the world's longest living people, like those in the blue zones, eat primarily plant-based. The science is clear: plants protect. Whether you go vegan or just eat more plants daily, the benefits add up fast. Drop a comment. What benefit of plant-based eating speaks to you most? Bell emoji, hit subscribe and join me next time for Flexitarian Living, the best of both worlds.